Hi guys, Jeff Puckett here. I am doing my introduction video for our new poverty and children class. Um, I chose to take this class as an elective because I myself was raised as a child in poverty, and I was prone to neglect, abuse, um, all kinds of different things throughout my childhood that really give me a sense of purpose and a higher pursuit of learning more on how to treat other children in the same situation. Um, I really have a deep connection because I was sexually abused as a child. I was beaten as a child. I ended up getting into drugs very early in life at around 10 years old, which really spiraled my life out of control until an adult age. But here I am working on my master's degree and pursuing higher education beyond that, and giving back in a moral way that I feel is conducive to my healing. And I would like to be able to provide that structure and foundation to poverty stricken children that are kind of encroaching or surviving through some of these situations that the class is going to cover and mention. So, with that, hello everybody. Welcome to our last class before graduation. I believe everybody's graduating, but I'm not sure. Anyway, good luck, and I look forward to meeting and discussing further topics here soon. Bye, guys.